Welcome to Health Hub Sweden, where we delve into scientific research on a deeper level. In today's episode, we're discussing an important topic: why men find it harder to seek care for mental health issues. Mental health, it's important for everyone. Mental health is just as important as physical health. We all need to take care of our minds and our bodies. Ignoring mental health problems can have serious consequences. It's time to break the stigma and talk openly about mental health. Everyone deserves support and treatment. Men often struggle to seek help for mental health issues. This struggle is not just a personal battle, but a societal one. Many men feel isolated and alone in their struggles, believing that seeking help is a sign of weakness. It's a tough subject for many guys to talk about. The discomfort stems from deep-rooted beliefs and fears. They worry about being perceived as less capable or strong if they admit to needing help. Societal expectations play a big role. From a young age, boys are often taught to be tough, to hide their emotions, and to handle problems on their own. This conditioning can make it incredibly difficult for men to open up about their mental health struggles. Men are often told to be strong and man up. These phrases, though seemingly harmless, reinforce the idea that vulnerability is not an option for men. They create an environment where expressing emotions is seen as a failure to live up to masculine ideals. This can make them feel ashamed to admit they're struggling. The shame is compounded by the fear of being judged or ridiculed by peers, family, and society at large. Fear of judgment is a major obstacle. Men worry that seeking help will lead to negative labels or that they will be seen as weak or incapable. This fear can be paralyzing and prevent them from reaching out for the support they need. Men worry about what others will think if they seek help. The social stigma surrounding mental health issues can be a significant barrier. They may fear that their struggles will be seen as a personal failing rather than a legitimate health concern. This leads to men suffering in silence. The isolation can be overwhelming, and without proper support, their mental health can deteriorate further. They may feel trapped, unable to break free from the cycle of silence and suffering. They may try to cope on their own, often in unhealthy ways. This can include substance abuse, aggression, or other harmful behaviors that only serve to mask the underlying issues rather than address them. It's crucial to change this narrative and encourage men to reach out. By fostering an environment of understanding and support, we can help men feel more comfortable seeking the help they need. Open conversations about mental health can break down the barriers of stigma and shame. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It takes courage to acknowledge one's struggles and to take steps towards healing. By redefining what it means to be strong, we can empower men to prioritize their mental health and well-being. Statistics paint a clear picture. Men are far less likely than women to seek mental health care. Studies show that women are more likely to report mental health concerns. Men, on the other hand, often downplay their symptoms. This disparity is alarming. It highlights the urgent need to address the unique challenges men face. We need to bridge this gap and ensure that men feel comfortable seeking the help they need. Men face numerous barriers throughout the care-seeking process. These barriers can be both external and internal, making it difficult for men to prioritize their mental health. One major hurdle is the lack of male mental health professionals. This shortage can make it challenging for men to find someone they feel comfortable talking to. Men may feel more comfortable opening up to someone who understands their experiences. Having a male therapist can create a sense of shared understanding and relatability, which is crucial for effective therapy. Limited access to mental health services is another challenge. Many men struggle to find available appointments that fit their schedules, especially if they are balancing work and family responsibilities. Long wait times and high costs can deter men from seeking help. The financial burden of therapy and the frustration of waiting for an appointment can be significant obstacles. Furthermore, the stigma surrounding mental health is often amplified in male-dominated environments. In many workplaces, discussing mental health is still seen as a sign of weakness, which can prevent men from seeking the help they need. This can make it even harder for men to speak up. The fear of being judged or misunderstood can lead to silence, further exacerbating mental health issues. It's crucial to create supportive environments where men feel safe to express their struggles. Knowledge is power, understanding mental health. In today's world, understanding mental health is more crucial than ever. It affects every aspect of our lives, from our relationships to our work performance and even our physical health. Education and awareness are key to breaking down stigma. By educating ourselves and others, we can create a more supportive and understanding community. This involves open conversations, sharing experiences and learning from one another. Men need to be equipped with the right information about mental health. Often, men are less likely to seek help due to societal pressures and stereotypes. Providing them with accurate information can empower them to take control of their mental well-being. Understanding mental health conditions is the first step. This includes knowing the different types of mental health disorders, their symptoms, and how they can affect daily life. With this knowledge, individuals can better identify and address their own mental health needs. Knowing the signs and symptoms can help men recognize when they need help. Early detection is crucial for effective treatment and recovery. By being aware of the warning signs, men can seek help before their condition worsens. It's also important to challenge traditional notions of masculinity. These outdated ideas often prevent men from expressing their emotions and seeking help. By redefining what it means to be a man, we can create a more inclusive and supportive environment. We need to promote healthier and more supportive definitions of what it means to be a man. This includes encouraging emotional expression, seeking help when needed, and supporting one another. Together, we can build a community where everyone feels valued and understood. The high cost of silence. The consequences of men not seeking care can be devastating. Untreated mental health issues can lead to substance abuse, relationship problems, and even suicide. Men die by suicide at a higher rate than women. This is a stark reminder of the urgent need for intervention. When men don't seek help, it not only affects them, but also their families, friends, and communities. Building a better system for men's mental health. The healthcare system can do more to support men's mental health. We need more targeted outreach programs. These programs should focus on reaching men where they are. This could include workplaces, sports clubs, and community centers. Training healthcare providers to better understand men's needs is crucial. We also need to make mental health services more accessible and affordable. Reaching out and making a difference. It's time to break the silence surrounding men's mental health. We need to encourage open conversations about mental health. Creating safe spaces for men to share their struggles is essential. Let's challenge the stigma and support men in seeking the help they deserve. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength. By working together, we can create a brighter future for men's mental health. That was it for this time. Thank you for watching. Visit our YouTube channel, Health Hub Sweden. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more tips and advice on health and well-being from Health Hub Sweden. See you next time. Goodbye.